watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Rayagada.
This news is sponsored by Aditya Honda, Rayagada.
Rayagada district. On the 23rd of October 2021, the history of Gajalakshmi Puja at Rayagada is more than 25 years old. 26th Gajalakshmi Puja has been celebrated at Rayagada with most submissively following the COVID guidelines this year. The colorful decoration, temporary markets, music camp, dance programs etc. are the part of previous year's celebration which continued this year as a diplomatic method. For the past 25 years, the puja was performed with great pomp. And everyone has hope and confidence that it will continue as before in subsequent years by obliterating this corona epidemic. The festival is especially known for its significance to unmarried girls and boys. Gajalakshmi Puja is also known as Kumar Purnima is specifically popular in the state of Orissa. It is believed that on the day of Gajalakshmi Puja, goddess Lakshmi takes around the earth's orbit and relieves her devotees from their woes. Those who remain to awaken on the night of Sharad Purnima are blessed with health and wealth. According to legend, the goddess Lakshmi visited people's homes to bless them when they worshipped them at night.
पूजा कमिटी वर्तमान कर्ता मो ना सुरेश चंद्र सामंतराय।
आज पार्वणीय गजलक्ष्मी पूजा जो हो विषय अनुभूति आप कौन अच्छे ए वर्ष केमी पालन कर आगामी दिन में कौन कर
देखो ये वर्ष आम गज महालक्ष्मी पूजार 26तम वर्ष आज को प्राय 26 वर्ष आरंभर पूजा हो आसूला। वर्तमान प्रशासन नियम अनुजाई ए वर्ष आम कटकणा को मानी पूजा आम कर
लगुच केमी अनुभूति आप प्रत्यक्ष पारिदर्शिता कौन लगुच
देखु प्रति 100 वर्ष एक महामारी आसे। वर्तमान जो महामारी टी आसी लक्ष्मींकर सहस्र नाम गोटे नाम हूँ करिन्नी। सी वर्तमान इच्छाधारी माता गज महालक्ष्मी रूप से आम सम्मुखें दंडायमान। से मांकर आज्ञा बिना पत्र भी हलेनी। वर्तमान देखु गत वर्ष वर्तमान ए वर्ष टिके कमी मांकर आशीर्वाद रे वर्तमान आउ किछि दिन एपरी कष्टर सहवा पड़ो। किंतु आगामी वर्ष मांकर यही कोरोना महामारी को विनाश करी जिमिति आमर 26 वर्ष आगुरु जिमिति चलीथिला यात्रा दौड़ मंडप दुकान बजार से हिसाब रे हब बोली आमर आशा।
मोर नाम नरसिंह कुमार बाहिनी कौन पूरे तो काम करे मांकर सेवा करने को सुযোগ मिली। कल आम मांकर सेवा कर चलतु। हाँ काली पर दिन गंगा दिवस होता काली मांकर चक्षु निर्माण सूर्य पूजा षोडशोपचार चलता एवं होम शेष प्रसाद सेवन। आज मांकर प्रथम सूर्य पूजा एवं मांकर षोडशोपचार होम वर्तमान संध्य आरती समापन होती। काली सेपरी मांकर सेवा रीतिनीति ठीक समय एवं ठीक भाव में चलो। मांकर कृपा करुणा द्वारा यही जो महामारी कोरोना जमी व्यापी से ही मुक्ति आने से कोरोना रोग समस्त मुक्त करेंगे एवं सर्वजन हित सर्वरिष्ट सर्वक्लेश सर्व दुख को विनाश करेंगे। धन जन गपलक्ष्मी प्राप्त करेंगे एवं समस्त खुशी और आनंद रही घर संसार करेंगे। समस्ते समस्त कार्य संपादन करेंगे। मो ना कालीरथ मो गजलक्ष्मी सेवा करने आस
ए वर्षर आपंकर अनुभूति कौन अच्छी कि नहीं आगामी वर्ष तो जहाँ हम से परवर्ती कथा और विगत वर्ष जहाँ होता आप जानते ए वर्ष कौन अनुभूति अच्छे
देखो महामारी एत बाधा विघ्न थी सत्वे प्रशासन एत कटका थी सत्वे भक्त किंतु तरफर कोविड नियम को पालन कर सामाजिक दूरता बजाय रखुच्च सहित मास्क व्यवहार कर आसी माँ को दर्शन कर संध्या आरती होती बहुत खुशी लगुच आगामी दिन में आम आशा करें कोरोना महामारी संपूर्ण भाव दूर हम माँ गजलक्ष्मी पूजा पुणी पुनर्बार धूमधाम पालन हम बोली आम आशा।
Can I ever introduce please?
Myself Santosh Kumar Brahma, Joint Secretary, Sri Sri Ma Gajlakshmi Puja Committee, New Colony Raigada.
Okay, in this committee you have experienced in many days. What are your feelings in this year? And what past hour and later, what are you feeling in the next session of the year?
This Puja Committee and this celebration was totally different this year and last year comparison to the previous year. This is we are celebrating the 26th year of our Puja. Whereas up to 24th year we had melas and we had a huge gathering, cultural programs, and this all were going on throughout the 10 days or 11 days, different years. But due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation, the local district administration has not permitted to us to conduct the program in that grand manner, but we are permitted for celebration the puja, rituals and other things. So that's why we are celebrating just this year for 5 days, only with the puja and with following all the COVID-19 guidelines, so that there will be not huge gathering. We do not allow the huge gathering, and the melas, the cultural celebrations, cultural programs, everything has been stopped. Only the puja is going on.
Okay, then being an enthusiasm person, then you should have some dedication for this committee. And for forthcoming year, what you will do, and what is the committee will expectation to do more some things?
Yeah, sure. As I said, it is the 26th year. We had a huge plan for the 25th year last year, but unfortunately we are not able to do that. But on next year, if the situation, we hope, we pray for the goddess Lakshmi that the next year the situation will be normal. And as the situation comes normal, we have a great planning for the celebration. Not only the celebration, some social works also to be done during this puja time. Like it will again will come back with the same, not only with the huge number like melas, the shops will come, and the cultural programs with the new cultural programs, new artists of different persons, and also will give the chance to the local gardens. And here is our experience that we are giving the local talents to encourage the local talent. That will also continue. So it will be when the situation will be normal, again we are going to come to our next phase. Then it will be surely a great back of Sri Sri Ma Gajlakshmi Puja Committee.
Thank you very much.
Presenting Honda CB200X. Digital console. Knuckle cover with LED blinkers. Wind visor. Upright right position. Top tread tire position. Once visit Sri Aditya Honda, near Sales Tax Office, Main Road, Raigada. Contact 8280096999 9938418969.
My name is Kishan Agarwal. I am the member of Gajlakshmi Puja Committee Raigada from last 5 years, and I have been experiencing a lot of changes from last 2 years due to COVID pandemic, which is going on till now. And this is the 26th year celebration of Raigada Puja Committee. We were celebrating the puja from up to 24th year celebration with a very grand programs and cultural events, and also all types of melas and what we say that shopping complexes were being established for up to 10 to 11 days. But due to this COVID, we are only going with all the rituals and conducting the puja. That is which is organizing every year on the eve of Kumar Purnima of every year. And as you are seeing, the puja is going on, and just we are conducting the puja for 5 years. with all the rituals completing it, Murti will get immersion on Sunday.
Okay, it's very nice. And future, what is your dedication? What you will do for this community?
As you know that 25th year celebration has been so, we can say that 25th year of celebration, no devotees have been watching or taking the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi in Raigada. So we are planning that if next year the COVID pandemic is going to stop or will be closed, we will have a grand celebration after 10 days with all the ornaments of Goddess Lakshmi with made up of silver, and we'll be following in a grand manner. Hope that all the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi gets to us to get the celebration in a grand manner.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
People, especially unmarried, observe Sharad Purnima, fast throughout the day, and pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Vishnu. Puja samagri must include incense, lamps, and kheer as donations. Many people also feed the Brahmins and give advice to the Pandits. A jhoti, or pattern, painted on the floor in front of the goddess with a paste made of rice flour and water is very important. As a rule, Kalasa Dibas, Mandal Puja, Kshetrapal Puja and Shodash Puja are performed, including Suraj Puja, Dwarpal and Ashtalakshmi Puja. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Raigada District Administration issued guidelines for the celebration of Lakshmi Puja. As per the guidelines, the puja committees, organizers could conduct puja in mandaps or pandals by adopting all COVID-19 protocols such as social distancing, wearing facial masks, proper sanitization, etc., for which they had to obtain permission from the officers, duly authorized by the district administration, Raigada. Moreover, 2 pandals covered on 3 sides and 1 side opened only for the purpose of use by the priest for rituals. These 4 sides should also be covered properly so as not to allow any public darshan of the idols by devotees. During the immersion, fewer persons involved considering the fact that the size and weight of the idol have been limited this time. Similarly, the owner of Neelachal Sweets has been organizing this Gajalakshmi Puja since his father's time, personally near the Raigada Sub-Collector Office for more than 26 years in Raigada.
ମୋ ପରିଚୟ ହେଉଛି ମୁଁ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ କୁମାର ଦାସ, ବାପାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ବିଭୂତିଭୂଷଣ ଦାସ। ଆଉ ନୀଳାଚଳ କହିଲେ ରାୟଗଡ଼ାକୁ ବୁଝାଏ। ନୀଳାଚଳ ସୁଇଟ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ, ତାଙ୍କ ସେଇ କମିଟି ତାଙ୍କ ପରିବାର ତରଫରୁ ପୂଜାଟି ହୁଏ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଜ୍ଞା। ଏ ପୂଜାଟା କେବେଠୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
25 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
ଆଉ ଏ ପୂଜା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତା ଆପଣଙ୍କର, କ'ଣ କିଛି ଅନୁଭୂତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
ପୂଜା ପରିବାର ଗୋଟେ ସଂକଳ୍ପ ମନ ଭିତରେ ଆସିଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋ ବାପା ଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ବାପା 2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଚାଲିଗଲେଣି। ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ଯେ ଭଲ ପୂଜାଟି ଆମେ ଘରେ ହିଁ ପୂଜା କରିବା।
ବାପାଙ୍କର ନାଁଟା
ବିଭୂତିଭୂଷଣ ଦାସ।
ହଁ,
ସିଏ ପୂଜା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ, ସିଏ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆମେ ପୁଅମାନେ ସବୁ ଭାଇମାନେ ମିଶିକି ଏ ପୂଜାକୁ ଚାଲୁ ରଖିଛୁ। ଯେବେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସକ୍ଷମ ଥିବ, ମାଆଙ୍କ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ଥିବ, ଦୟା ଥିବ, ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପୂଜା ଚାଲିଥିବ।
25 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ପୂଜା ଆସିଛି। ଆଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ସବୁ ମିଶିକି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଇଏରେ ପୂଜା କରନ୍ତି, ନିଷ୍ଠାର ସହିତ ପୂଜା କରନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଃଖ ରହିଗଲା, ଚାଲିଗଲା 2 ବର୍ଷ 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା, ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ମନରେ ବହୁତ
ଏ ପୂଜା ପ୍ରତି ଆପଣ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେଟା କରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି?
ବହୁତ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁଛି, ମାଆଙ୍କ ଲାଗି ଯଦି ସବୁ କିଛି
ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ମା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସୁଖ ଦେଖିବେ, ଆଗକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଉନ୍ନତି ହେବ। What is your name?
My name is Vidusmita Das.
So this is the second Pratima of Gajalakshmi in Raigada. So how many years it will happen and what is your expectations in this puja? What is your experience?
This puja is going since 25 years ago, and my grandfather started this puja, and now continuing by my father.
Okay. Then what is your dedications? What you will be doing next year? The pandemic situation gone already 1 year happened, and now also it is running up, but it is partially cut off. So what is your dedication for next year? What you will do?
From next year, if my brother will do, he wants to do this continuation of this puja, then he can do.
What's your name?
My name is Vishnu Prasad Das.
From how many days you know this puja is happening?
From every year 1 week, but for this pandemic situation, we are occurring this puja for 5 days or 4 days.
5 days or 4 days it is going to continue. Immersion ceremony will happen on Sunday, I think.
It's not in Monday.
Monday it will happen, okay. And about 25 years it is continuing, no?
Yes.
This is second stage of Raigada city.
Yes.
His father is no more in this world. But this year, with his father's wishes and his own respect, his son and all the family members were not left out this Gajalakshmi Puja. Reports from Editor Manoj Mishra, Sigma Media Lab.